Hi class. I decided to select from a historical force technology. It looks like, according to the graph in the book, there's about to be another upswing. There's some pretty consistent ups and downs, and we're about ready for an upswing. I'm here in the Bay Area, and a big thing that's happening in technology right now is in the automotive industry. I work in recruiting. I'm a recruiting manager for a bus manufacturer, and so a lot of the positions that I'm recruiting for, I need engineers from the automotive industry or a related industry like that. And so I have a lot of competition because of all of these startups. There's a ton of startups that are here in the Bay Area where they're doing all the work, they're doing all the technology work right now, they're doing the designing and all that. But then when it comes time for manufacturing, they're moving all the operations out of the country, like China right now, for example. A major move just took place where a lot of workers were displaced just for a short period of time because they went to another startup that's doing what they just did for this one company. So they're just eventually going to hire all these people, throw tons of money at them. It's driving real estate up. And then when the companies are ready to send the manufacturing overseas, maybe to China or wherever, they're doing that. So then eventually, at some point, we're going to have a lot of people with high-priced homes and can't afford to stay in them. I can't help but wonder if that's going to happen. I don't know how many years down the line, but it's pretty crazy the kind of money that these engineers are getting thrown at. They're getting crazy sign-on bonuses. They're getting big-time bucks. I heard of one deal where somebody from LA area got picked up by Google car, the Waymo car, and he got promised like a $3 million deal over a 3 or 4 year period of time. So it's just crazy money that's going out there. And at some point, there's going to be some right sizing that's going to happen. And I'm just curious as to when. So, but that technology is going to pick up. I would reference the textbook. On page 31, I noticed that Steiner writes, new technologies foster the productivity gains that sustain long-term economic progress, and they promote human welfare, which is great. However, like the printing press, they also can agitate societies. So that's what I'm thinking is at some point, it's all going to be prosperous right now, and there's tons of money up here right now. But at some point, is it going to agitate the community and our society up here? And are we going to have a lot of, another housing crash is what I'm wondering about because it's so out of sync right now up here. Anyways, that's my thoughts on it, and that's my reference. Thank you.